The reason you might want to follow the 7-day rule is to let them establish first their scent trails, find their favorite hiding spots, and again, wait for at least 1 or gusto mo makasigurado, 2 successful feeding sessions before you start handling them. Number 3, mura over sigurado, or wild caught versus captive bred. One of the common mistakes that new snake keepers make is buying a cheap snake from an unknown source or local market. So, I am discussing 2 separate things here. Unahin natin yung una, which is yung sinabi ko, wild caught versus captive bred. Ano mapinagkaibahan nun? Pag sinabi nating wild caught, yung nagbebenta na seller is hindi niya sariling produce. Sa madaling salita, hinuli niya lang from the wild and then flip it to resell for a profit. Pag sinabi naman nating CB or captive bred, hindi lang sila basta seller, sila ay breeder. Sila yung nagpalaki ng parents nung snake na bibilhin mo. So sa atin, since hindi naman to usually applicable dahil karamihan ng pet snakes na available sa exotic pet trade, hindi naman endemic sa atin, but rather sa ibang bansa. So, mas applicable to sa kanila. But rather, napapansin kong binebenta ng illegal na nasa market is yung mga endemic species natin na nahuhuli ng mga kapwa Pinoy natin. Katulad na lang ng ahas tulog or wolf snake, paradise flying tree snake, mangrove snake, at yung iba nakikita ko, nag-aalaga pa ata ng cobra. Anyhow, that's that. I would advise you to buy from someone na captive bred talaga nila yung binibenta nila. Ibig sabihin sila yung nag-hatch, sila yung nagpaanak. Kasi talaga natutuhan nila yung parents niyan. And of course, you know, ano yung pinanggalingang environment ng alaga mo. And of course, we can expect na mas accountable si breeder or si seller dahil sarili ng produce yan and syempre, pride niya yan. Cover ko lang din na internationally kasi, it is advised not to purchase wild caught dahil in the long run, mas makakamura nga sila kung bumili sila ng wild caught. Pero at the end of the day, hindi nila alam kung may kinakarry ba na internal parasites, may sakit ba yan, infections. In the long run, mas mapapamahal pa sila sa vet. Let us discuss naman yung second part nun, which is buying a cheap snake from an unknown source or local market. So, dito sa atin, let us support our local registered breeders. That would be our WFP or Wildlife Farm Permit holders and CWR or Certificate of Wildlife Registration. You could also ask for a CBC or Captive Bred Certificate para makasigurado, but not all of them provide that. But again, as a consumer or as a buyer, you can ask that. Pagdating naman sa mga snakes, certain species like CITES species, such as ball pythons, can only be legally purchased here in the Philippines from WFP holders. As for the rest, as far as I know, nakakapag-release din ng legal papers ang CWR. Just be sure to ask for legal papers because you will be needing that in order to apply for your own CWR registration para maging legal ka at yung alaga mo. Pero we're not discussing that right now kasi medyo